Hello, second grade. Welcome to math. Today in lesson 1.6, I am going to play a math workshop game with you, and it is called Roll a Square. But before we learn how to play this game and play this game together, you have 3 rotations, or since you are at home, you have 3 choices or 3 things to do for math workshop at home. So the first one is in your student activity book, you can do pages 174 through 177, and that is more pages in Kira's sticker book. And then also student activity pages 178 through 181, and that is how many of each problems. And then we have the game Roll a Square. We played this game, I believe it was in lesson 1.4. So just a couple of days ago. So you should be really good at it by now, but I do want to go ahead and review it quickly with you. So let's look at the directions. It says play with a partner, work together. Player 1 rolls the 2 cubes by tapping on each one. Player 1 then drags that many connecting cubes onto the game board. A row can only have 10 cubes. If cubes are left over, start a new row. Player 1 looks under the last cube and follows the directions or answers the question on that square. To remove the cubes, drag them off the game board. Player 1 says how many cubes there are in all. Player 2 repeats steps 1 through 3 and then says how many cubes there are in all. And you keep taking turns, and the game is over when the game board is full and you get to the smiley face at the bottom. If you want to start over, you simply click the button Start Over, or you can hit the arrow button at the bottom right and go to game board number 2. Alright, so here are my dice. I'm going to click those. I have a 4 and a 3. So what is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7. If you said 7, you are correct. So how many cubes do I need to move to the board? I need to move 7. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I look at the last cube and see what's behind it. It says, how many more cubes do you need to have 20? So with your partner, you need to talk about if you have 7 cubes, how many more cubes do you need to get to 20? But then don't forget to put that cube back down. And then it is your partner's turn, and they are going to do the same thing. Remember, you're not really competing against one another. You're working together to fill this board up. We have 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 equals 8. If you said 8, you are correct. So then you take your cubes and you are going to put, guess how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's nothing under that last one for us to think about and to do. And before I forget, we need to make sure that we are going back and counting how many cubes we have in all. And both person should count those, or both people should count those. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many cubes do we have in all? We have 15 cubes in all. Okay, so now it goes back to player 1. I'm going to roll my dice again. We have 6 plus 1 equals. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So I then put 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Was there anything under my last one? Nope, no surprises there. So then that person now would count all of the cubes. Now instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and on and on and on, we know that this is a row of 10, just like our 100s chart. So can we count by 10s to save us time and be more efficient? Yes, we can go 10, 20, 21, 22. That way we don't have to count every single cube. So just like in the 100s chart, this is a row of 10, so practice counting by 10s. And then it would be your partner's time to roll again and do the same thing. And again, your goal is to get to the smiley face. And once you get all the way down to the smiley face, then you can start over or go to a different game board. And don't forget to look under your last cube that you put down and see what it tells you to do. And then also go back and count all of the cubes. So looking at this game board right now, we said we have 22. We have 10, 20, 21, 22. How many more cubes do you think we need to fill this row of 10? If we have 2 here, how many more do we need to make it a row of 10? If you said 8, you are correct. We would need 8 more. So that is something else that you can talk with your partner about while you're playing this game. I hope you have fun playing Roll a Square.